big monster with a green creature. Then they found a shark, a silly-looking one that looked funny, but it was swimming with no mouth. So the waves got deeper and deeper and deeper until they found some words. They found the word C-A-T, C-S-A-T, N-A-P, and few curvy waves. And then they saw a girl lighting like a mermaid. Well, they saw nothing. And then they saw nothing except one day they drowned into the nothing world.